And I said, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? I can't begin to comprehend what you've been through. I wish it was all pretend, just an awful dream. But please don't let your heart grow dead, for God restores it. And I said,